Right, we're up at Lochindarb. It's a bit windy and blowy today, so hopefully you can hear me off. But this is Oliver. He's been camped up here and he was out in his board this morning and he's a fire tender today. So, what have you been up to this weekend?
Not much, we were just paddle boarding, just living the dream really.
Living the dream, magic stuff. You were over in Lossiemouth last night?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Good stuff. So you watching the fire so it doesn't burn out, and I see you've got one of these raised pits so you're not scorching the ground. So you're heading back today?
Yeah, I want to stay, but my dad's like, nope, you gotta go home.
So you've got to go home sometime though, eh?
Yeah, I gotta go home.
Great stuff. No, good stuff. I'm glad you're living the dream, so keep it going and stay safe, eh? Good man. Morning. It's early morning. It's only about 8 o'clock in the morning. We came up here last night to Lochindarb and it was blowing a hoolie and the water was right choppy, and then it started to rain. So this morning it's flat calm, but I don't know if your camera can pick up the amount of these black flies. There's thousands of them and I don't know what they are, but you see the wee birds been all fishing them. So I'm going to go out, I'm going to paddle across to the old ruin in the middle of the loch. So I don't know if I can zoom in on that now, if you can see that there, just out in the water. But come on, let's go for another wee adventure, this time on the canoe. There you go, we're out in the boat this morning. It's nice and calm. Oh, there's a black-throated diver, two of them, sitting over there bobbing about in the water. So today we're going to head out to the ruin and paddle around the ruin. Oh, there you go, that's us nearly there. So we've paddled out, it's been about 5-10 minutes paddling it. So we'll go right round the edge of it and we'll see what we can see. There you go, it's obviously had corner turrets. There's a mallard with its babies, just at the edge. The archway there, and there's the turret. That's pretty cool. Go round the other side, and maybe go on it. It's actually a lot bigger than what I thought it would be. Pretty calm this morning. It's a lot bigger than what I thought. When you're looking for the shore, it looks quite a small wee place, but it's a fair old size. So let's go and have a look. I don't know if we can see anything in here. It's actually pretty good to come across here and camp. Absolutely perfect for camping. Great big bit here. There are obviously people done that in the past, but I'm not going to worry about that. Let's have a look over here. It's merely the actual building itself. Nobody's staying here long, and midges are amazing. Ugh. Hundreds of them. I think he's a bird's eye view. Turret there. Out the point of one of the turrets. Somebody's seat there in their wee fire. There you go. Full loch to myself, not a single person about it. It was busy yesterday, but today black flies. Dorb House, a wee private boat house. And further up, it's the actual house itself. An old boat in it. Private estate, as I say, for Lochendorp House, which is up in the point up here, so we're going to paddle up towards that. Beautiful place. Got a beautiful brass, looks like an otter in the garden. Perfect. That's what they're looking out, right over there in Highland. Sitting floating about in Lochendorp, and that's part of the Lochendorp estate. You can see it there. Oh, I can't beat it. 7:30 at night. The sun is absolutely beating down. So I've done maybe about 3/4 of the loch. The end it's just at the back of me, so I'm just going to mosey on down, try and get to the end of the loch, and I'll go up the other side and back over to where we're parked up for tonight. Can't beat it. The wee boat house away on the far side of the loch. The house is away there. So I just paddle in here and have a wee look.